You are being presented with two choices: evolve or repeat. Can I be very simple? The future is now. We now have to act. Future is a lifestyle we all try to live now, because we can't just live in the present. We have to think about the next generation, that they can also experience the world how we have it now.
I think the purpose is pretty important.
We decided to have a more conscious behavior in buying, and it's a new chapter in our life. I have to like the product.
It has to be something like love at first sight. So I rather prefer to pay a bit more instead of buying fast fashion. So sustainability is pretty important, of course.
It has to fit my thoughts of what a good product is. So it has to be simple, but also I have to like the design. We value the things that, are worth it.
For me, the most important thing is, when it comes to progress, just do better today than you did the day before. So even if it's just a waste separating, small steps, step by step.
Progress is something which happens every day, because you have to educate yourself every day. You have to learn something every day. We both learn from each other. We learn how to,
How to discuss. It's even the way we talked. It has to be a change in every kind of situations. If it's the way we talk, the way we eat, the way we drive.
Being different and having a change in every kind of situation in life is something which is really okay, and it's good. We're trying to be a better person every day.
The future looks bright because we have all this changing. It's in front of us. We just have to grab it and go for it and stick to it. That's very important.
We're here to create the future. Who else would do it?
What is your story of progress?